security guard or an administrator wanting to see alerts, this is how you do it. You're going to go ahead and edit a user. You're going to go down to users on the left-hand side. You're going to click the user you want to modify. And then you're going to go down to a couple key things here. One is what locations, we call them boxes, that your weapons detection system is at. You can choose this person to see multiple location alerts. You can choose this person to see 2 locations, 3 locations, or all locations that you have weapons detection systems at. Now, if you just want them to see one, you're just going to let them see one alert from one location, or you're going to let them see, 2 locations. Let's say the front door and back door, this person gets to see 2 systems locations alerts. Or if it's administrator, they want to see all locations alerts. Now, when you're an administrator, you may not want to see all the alerts and get notifications for them. Now, you might want to get all the alerts, but you don't want to be notified that you're getting all the alerts. So you only want to be notified when there's a confirmation. Now, that's a little bit different. So after you set up what they're allowed to see, you want to set up what they get notifications for. Now, by default, object detect alerts, you're going to get a notification for all of them. That's a guard is going to want to see all of them. Now, if you're an administrator, you only want to see if it gets confirmed, or else you're going to get inundated with alerts with the system going off at laptops or other items that might set the system off. Now, you're going to choose ignore confirmed alerts from object detected alerts. That means that your notification isn't going to be received on your phone unless your security guard clicked confirmed on that alert. And that's how easy it is. Have a good day. Thank you.